beneath the beautiful light was thinking mommy and loving me tonight. No, it was
Mordu.
I'm talking a story about Merida.
What did Merida say when her mom said, "Get no weapons on the table"?
Mom, it's just my pool. I got hair in my tongue.
You're not supposed to eat your hair.
I always get a hair in my mouth.
Did you think it was a banana or spaghetti?
Yum, 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 yum.
And what are you laughing at? Sleepyhead.
I was a girl and a princess, doing all right. Then I became a princess overnight. Now I gotta figure how to do it right. So much to learn and see up in the castle in my family. And that's just the royalty. And home in the world is waiting for me. What? No, don't.